Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I got something special for you. One of my favorite Mustang variants, the 2017 GT350. I think this is quite close to automotive perfection for a true car enthusiast. And I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to being a true car enthusiast and enjoying a true sports car. I think it only can be done with a manual transmission. You know, if you want to get a point and shoot high performance car, get a Tesla. We just had a P100D with ludicrous mode. You can't match the acceleration, the straight line acceleration of that vehicle with any gas car. But if you enjoy V8 music, you want a true mechanical connection to your vehicle. It's not always about speed, but it's always about driving enjoyment, and this GT350 offers it in spades. It's not the fastest car in its class. You know, you have the you could buy a Hellcat, which has a lot more power, but it's not as nimble and enjoyable as this Mustang GT350. So one good thing about 2017, I believe it was 2016, the GT350 was a new model, new version of the Mustang. The track pack, which before was optional, is now standard on the GT350 in 2017, giving you adjustable dampers, which you can adjust right here, very simple. You have normal and sport. You also have a rear spoiler, aluminum strut tower brakes, and a few other go fast goodies that come with the track pack. And this is a genuine track ready Mustang. This thing handles like a dream. It's got massive brakes that can offer fade free high performance driving for hours and hours. And even if you don't want to take it on a track, you can have a lot of fun with this car on the road. I wish I could just take this thing right now, take it around Mount Rainier National Park, or take it down to the Oregon coast and drive it up and down 101. Find a nice empty part of 101, enjoy some straight line performance and some wonderful curves with beautiful scenery. And this is a very comfortable vehicle as well. Comfortable enough for all-day driving. We have the original build sheet on this one. So the gas guzzler tax luckily was paid on this one, $1,300 gas guzzler tax, yikes. So this has the over-the-top racing stripe, $475. Then we have the convenience package, that was $3,000. So the convenience package does away with the standard Recaro seats, and you get these power adjustable seats instead. Maybe not as track friendly as the Recaros, but these power adjustable seats I think are a little bit more comfortable. So the convenience package is $3,000, gives you the Sync 3 infotainment system, heated cooled front seats, dual zone electronic AC, CD sound system with Sirius XM, voice activated touchscreen with navigation system, blue stripe with black accent, and front license plate bracket. All right, there we have it. And then of course we can print out a copy and email you one if you want to peruse this yourself. You can see we have the chassis number right there. This thing's in beautiful shape. We recently took this one in on trade, and one of the most awesome aspects of this car is the engine. It's based off the the Coyote V8, but Ford takes the regular 5-liter Mustang V8 engine, and they put a flat plane crank on it, direct injection, and a few other go fast goodies. So with that flat plane crank, it changed the firing characteristics of the cylinders. There's a great video on YouTube, you can Google it, that actually uses a snare drum to show you the difference with the way the regular Coyote engine fires versus the flat plane to get its unique sound. And you also have an adjustable exhaust. So right here it's normal. And then we'll put it on sport mode, and it really is quite a difference. Ooh. Oh, that is absolutely heavenly sounds right there. Flat crank engines are very exotic. Usually you see that in cars like Ferraris. More recently, I think the new Z06 has a flat crank V8, which sounds pretty amazing. But unlike the new Corvette, which is really cool, you can't get it with a manual transmission. And again, when it comes to having driving enjoyment, you really got to have the manual gearbox. That's my opinion. 23,500 miles. This thing is in beautiful shape, hardly a mark on it. No turbocharging, no supercharging. This engine's completely naturally aspirated, 526 horsepower, very usable horsepower. Redline's 8,200 RPMs, and I can tell you, it is just such an experience doing some high performance driving in this car, getting that engine near redline, shifting through the gears. It's your own personal amusement park ride. And there you can see those massive Brembo brakes, plenty of tread in the tires. Absolutely gorgeous. I love Mustangs. You know, when I was in high school, I graduated in '99. They were a little bit different back then, but one of the coolest cars you could have in my high school was a Mustang. No fake engine covers. The whole engine's right there for you to see. Nice big air filter to keep that engine breathing, and there's that aluminum strut tower brace, previously optional on the track pack, now standard for 2017. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to pretty much anywhere in Washington and Oregon. You can put this in our car hauler, we can tow it to you. You can print up our paperwork with the mobile delivery service. This beautiful Mustang GT350 can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood. All right, how about we take it for a spin and hear some more of that V8 music. Yeah, it's a vehicle that's not easy to explore its full performance potential, even on roads like this. It is kind of rush hour, but man, it's not easy to get this thing to its 8,000 RPM red line. You need some big, wide open spaces. Takes off. This thing is just ridiculously fast. There's no ifs, ands about it. I gotta take this thing back to the dealership and never drive it again. Or I might end up buying it. But luckily for you, if you're thinking about buying this one or one in general, congratulations. I think you've made a great choice. Just, you know, behave yourself. Whether if you're looking to buy this particular GT350 or looking for some information in general, hopefully this video was informative and entertaining. Thanks so much for watching, and we really appreciate it.